Please don't ever leave me. Please don't ever leave me.
지금도 못하고 있습니다. 입술이 좋은 게 아니고요. 원래 있습니다. 지금 제품 있어요.
Don't ever leave me.
So I'm just going to answer one of the comments that somebody did. So he said, hi, can you please also share your strategies for cat with me? I'm also giving cat this attempt. So disclaimer that I am not somebody who you should listen to because I'm a very average student. So let me tell you, when the test window opens in front of me, what I do. Okay, so for VARC, that is my weak section, like really weak. All the parajumbles and parasummary that I attempt are generally wrong. For first 5 minutes, I try to find the easier RCs. So out of 4, I attempt 2. So I take like 20 minutes to attempt 3 minutes to do 2 of them. And then for VA, out of 8, I try to do 4. Yeah, so in total I attempt like, in total I try to attempt 10. So I'm more inclined towards LR. I always end up doing LR because it is kind of interesting and I kind of find it easier than DI, because for DI there are a lot of values and everything. So I know in the exam I'm going to do 2 plus 2 5. Once I am strong with arithmetic and geometry. Algebra is questionable. I think algebra I will not be able to solve because I generally do not understand the question. So I have done arithmetic, algebra and geometry. So I'm going to, so maybe if there are 16 to 17 questions, I might attempt 10. So I have done like that. So yeah, bye.